We really see our role as trying to help advisors take advantage of some of the macroeconomic trends that are taking place. The shift in wealth, both from a demographic perspective with next generation investors and next generation advisors, as well as women investors, controlling $8 trillion today, expected $22 trillion by the end of the decade. So we want to help advisors make the strategic shifts in their business to be able to capitalize on those opportunities. So there's a few things that we rolled out today that we're very excited about. First is a next generation scholarship program where we're going to award $5,000 scholarships to 10 students in financial planning programs. We think we need to do a better job of fostering the next generation of advisors through education and other types of engagement. The other part of that is a $50,000 annual grant to a university that demonstrates excellence in financial planning education. And we think that the competition for the grant will help create a little, some innovation and some further investments in financial planning education. Also, it's a lot about helping advisors try and run better businesses and become more efficient in their practices, or businesses, I should say. As they're looking to expand the scope of the target market that they're able to service and provide a higher level of client service to their investors, we need to help them run efficient businesses. So iRebal being offered to every advisor for free on the TD Ameritrade platform is a big win for us. So there's a lot of great things going on. We're really excited to be part of this great community that is the RIA business. The RIA channel is the fastest growing segment in financial services and has been for some time. We don't see that slowing down at all, and it's really being fueled by quite a few different things. One is a lot of brokers leaving the captive environment, moving to the RIA channel, and then clients, also investors, making better decisions, asking better questions of their financial services providers, such as, how do you get paid? Are you incented to sell me one product over another? So they're getting much more educated about what's the right type of relationship. And I think most investors, anytime you sit down and you understand the differences between the brokerage model and a fiduciary, they're going to take fiduciary every time, which is really exciting, and that's going to fuel a lot of the growth on a go-forward basis. The business has matured enormously over the last 10 years. An entire industry has been created in support of the RIA business. And what happens is technology companies, product providers are starting to follow the money. They see those trends, and we're seeing the maturation of the advisors themselves, where it was kind of a cottage industry to start out. This is really the first generation that created it as an industry. And now we're seeing practices mature into businesses. So there's a lot of focus on running a better business, getting more strategic about where are you going to, where are you going to, what target markets are you going to tackle? What's your offering going to look like? Are you going to have a segmented client offering, and so on and so forth? And that's one of the things that we really focus on. We see our role as helping advisors run better businesses because we have a great relationship. If they're growing, we're growing. So we couldn't be more excited about the future for the RIA space.